Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the 70 Smart Dashcam 1S. As you can see, the packaging is pretty minimalistic. All we have is the brand's name on the top and the website on the top and bottom of this package. And the left hand side, the right hand side has nothing. The back of the box has some importing and manufacturing information along with the details for the customer care on this white sticker. Next to that, we have the BIS certification symbol. On the bottom of that, we have some of the technical specifications, which include a power input of 5 volts at 1.5 amperes. The camera's resolution is 1080p. Local storage is via micro SD card. Here we have the exact model name, which we have already mentioned. The battery capacity is 240 mAh. And that's about it in terms of what is on the packaging. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with understanding the various functions and features of the product and also help you set up the app that this product comes with. Next, we have a clear plastic film, sort of like a scratch guard that you would put on the screen of a smartphone, but in this case it is used to stick the dash cam on it. So basically what you do is you pull this tab to reveal the sticky side of the plastic film. You put that onto the windscreen of the car, and then you can use the adhesive on the dash cam itself to stick that to this clear plastic film. The location of the placement has been marked off nicely in a dotted square. Next, we have the power cable. It has a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. The total length of the thing is approximately 11.5 feet. Here we have the power adapter, which goes into the 12-volt socket of the car. Here are the contact points that go into the 12-volt socket. And here we have a female USB type A interface that basically goes with the USB type A of the power cable. Coming to the dash cam itself, we can see that it has a cylindrical shape and has a matte gray color theme going for it. There's some silver highlight around the lens, and the lens itself is protected with this little bit of plastic that is stuck onto it. On the front, under the lens, we have the 70 branding. On top, we have a button to activate the dash cam, and there's also a light that is around the button.
Low battery. Connect the in-car charger cable.
On the bottom, we have the micro USB, female micro USB power port. Above that, we have the micro SD card slot, and next to the micro USB slot, we have the reset button. Here we have the hinge mechanism that allows the dash cam to rotate, and this way it can be placed in an orientation that provides it with the maximum field of view. On the back, we have some of the technical specifications repeated, which we have already gone through on the box itself. Basically, you can use this dash cam to monitor what happens around you while you are driving, or even while the car is parked. Because this thing already has an inbuilt battery, it can keep on recording even when the car's engine is not working. So this can help you out in case you get into a crash or need proof about how the crash happened. This was the unboxing of the 70 Smart Dashcam 1S. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.